Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can improve your image quality using Canva. At first you need to open Canva application, and then on the top right corner here you can see create a design. Click on this, then go to the bottom and here you can see custom size. Click on this. Now here pick a custom size 1000 pixel width and 1000 pixel height and create a new design. Once your project open, then go to the left panel and here you can see apps. Click on this and here search for enhancer. Now click on this. This extension will enhance your image quality. Now select your image from here, choose file and make sure enhance page. Click on this and enable it. Now enhance image. Now you have to wait a couple of seconds for enhancing. Finally you can see the image quality has been improved, and now click add to design. Now you can customize your image and the image is now improved a lot. So this is how you can improve your image quality using Canva. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.